Hey everybody, I am hopping on here because I officially have a copy of my own book. I'm so excited. I've had a few people that have ordered it, that they've had theirs for a little while and have already read it. I've had a couple of reviews already, and I'm just so excited that I finally have my own copy. So, I received this in the mail today, and I have my own book. I'm so excited. So, anyways, it is called Hope in the Loss, When Everything Seems to Be Going Wrong. And so I have my grandbaby's helping me today. Oh my goodness. Get them all out of here. I ordered several copies, so I have several copies here. If anybody would like to purchase one from me personally, I can write in it if you would like. Oh, my grandbaby wants the box. Here, turn around. Turn around. Say hi, everybody. Hi. Hi. There's you a box to play with for a minute. So anyways, I have several copies of my book. If you would like to purchase one, you can either click the link that I have here in the description, and it'll take you to Amazon, take you straight to my book. Or if you live local, or if you want me to send you one, I'll just have to see what it costs for shipping and then let you know the total. So anyways, I am so excited. I have been waiting 3 weeks to get my very own copy. And like I said, I ordered several. So if you would like a copy, let me know. Let's see if I can find something in here. I'll read the back to you. How about that? So my mother had put on here, "My dear Kelly, I cried through the first 3 chapters because I was feeling your pain again. I love you so much. I could not stop reading it. I am believing this book will touch many lives." Author Vicki Wilson, that's my mom. "This book is a journey through my story of losing hope through trauma and losses, but finding hope again through Jesus Christ. Have you ever felt like giving up? Everything in life seems to be going wrong. I pray that this book ministers to you in your situation, knowing that God has a plan for you, even amid loss or trauma." So anyways, my book is here. I'm so excited. I have been waiting, like I said, 3 weeks, and I have several available if anybody would like to buy one from me. So love y'all, and thanks for everybody who has bought and supported me. I really appreciate it, and I just pray that this touches many, many people, because I know that it was God-inspired, me writing this book. So anyways, my book is here. So excited. Love y'all. Have a great day. Bye.